In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize and change Microsoft Outlook View. This walkthrough is specifically for the Outlook desktop app, so make sure you're using the desktop version as we go. Customizing your view helps you see your messages the way you prefer, making your inbox easier to scan, sort, and manage. Start by going to the View tab at the top of Outlook. This is your control center for how everything looks. Click Change View, and you'll see several preset options. You might see choices like IMAP, Messages, Messages marked for deletion, Group Messages marked for deletion, and Preview. Each preset rearranges what you see and how information is displayed. For example, in some IMAP accounts, the marked for deletion options show items that are flagged to be removed, which can be helpful if you manage messages on a server. Preview is great if you want a quick summary-style look without opening each email. While you're still on the View tab, you can refine things further using Current View. From there, enable Show as Conversations if you prefer to group related emails into threads. This condenses back-and-forth replies into a single expandable item, making long discussions easier to follow and reducing clutter. Next, adjust how your list is sorted and grouped. Use the Arrange by options to organize emails by date, from, to, size, subject, time, attachment, account, or importance. If you want to flip the order, use Reverse Sort to quickly toggle between newest first and oldest first, or A to Z and Z to A, depending on the field. If you like a denser inbox with more messages visible at once, turn on tighter spacing. It shrinks the white space between emails without removing any information, which is perfect for smaller screens or large mailboxes. Now let's tailor the overall layout. In the Layout section on the View tab, adjust the folder pane to show more or less of your mailbox list. You can set the reading pane to the right, bottom, or turn it off entirely if you want a simple list view. The to-do bar can surface your calendar, people, and tasks, keeping key info visible while you work. These layout choices are personal. Try different combinations until your workspace feels clean and efficient. That's the core of how to customize and change the Microsoft Outlook view on desktop. Explore these options, mix and match, and make your inbox work for you. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss future uploads.